What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a few things to get done today. We're gonna be starting off the day with whoops, shouldn't have locked that. I have to go help do a little flower bed work at my grandmother's, so we're gonna go ahead and knock that out early this morning. I gotta grab a few things out of here, but we're gonna try to get a few things done on the truck. A few parts put on. Stuff like that, since I'm off this weekend. And yeah, so you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna go knock this stuff out real early, and I'll catch back up with you guys later. Grab some of these. Say good morning to the 6-0. Get a little cold start here. That never gets old. But we're gonna get going, knock this stuff out, and catch back up with you guys.
Pat, do me a favor. When you get a minute.
What's up, guys? We're back. Yesterday didn't go quite as planned. It got a little busy with the flower bed and some other things going on. So yesterday we didn't actually get anything done on the truck or the car. But today we're gonna try to knock out a few things. I got, the new coolant reservoir for the truck, and I purchased it in polished aluminum. But now I've been looking at it. I think I'm gonna powder coat it. So we're gonna go ahead and powder coat this. Try to get new coolant filter put in. Also try to do the Blue Spring mod, and probably replace the thermostat as well, because all these are in the same vicinity or have something to do with each other, as well as put it on the cold air intake. So all these things will probably be separate videos, but they all should get done today. So I'll probably make a video of how to powder coat this, installing the Blue Spring kit, and then another video doing the cold air intake. But first we need to get this truck cleaned. It is absolutely dirty. And another thing we might try to do is also polish the wheels today, and also take off the lugs and powder coat those as well. But yeah, thought I'd just give you guys a little rundown of the plan today. Hopefully we'll get it done. Starting a little late, but I think we can get it done. I have to go to the hardware store so I can make a jig to hold those lug nuts so I can powder coat them. and get that. A few other things for the yard around the house. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna get started. You know, try to get to it. All right, guys. We got a slight change of plan. I don't have all my tools at my house, so we came back to the OG residence, my parents' house. I'm fin to go ahead and jack up the truck. I'm gonna put it on 4 jack stands so I can take all the wheels off. We're gonna go ahead and pressure wash and clean everything up under there while we take the wheels off, because I'm gonna polish those as well. And I need to get these lug nuts off so I can powder coat these. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Fucking truck is filthy. But we got all our stuff loaded up in the back. Everything we're gonna need. Polish and everything. We'll take this out the sun before it melts. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Get everything set up. My oven's here. So you know, it only makes sense to come here and do it. Jack stand was here too, so you guys never saw the oven. Never did the build video on it, but probably will make another one soon. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna get to it.